boss fights. Get wrecked! Garchomp's getting wrecked! Plus he can Mega Evolve.
Who?
You know, the ones with Mega Evolutions, they can. But those guys without Mega Evolutions get Rage Mode. Enhanced Lunar Dance. Round 2.
Who's controlling Garchomp?
It's a EI. It's a boss. I think the last one is
Who's controlling the player?
Of course, the player.
Who's controlling it?
Player! Look, Captain Falcon is Machamp. Rage mode. No! Take a look at this! What the fuck? What the heck? Machamp's OP is fudge.
I am hacking the door.
Promotion test.
Dude,
Soon.
I'm hacking the door. Don't let me hacking the door.
Go, Machamp. Dude, this boss is a...
Come on, Weavile. Which Pokemon do you want to tag for support? I always just...
Dude, Machamp versus Suicune.
And dude, if you like to watch my videos, I'm gonna upload this right now. Don't worry.
Okay.
Come on. Alright. Set up for the next battle.
Another trick. Yo, 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 yo. Yo! Next boss is a Braixen. Why Braixen?
Come on, which Pokemon do you want to tag?
This is also new.
Wala si control fan.
Me! 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 Ow, don't kill him!
Dude, this is Plants vs. Kara. It's a video, dude. I'm making it right now. Yan, bakit yung freak? Hey! 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 May trash bag yung freak! Hey! Ay, nasi dito mo si Mayak! Here!
He's going to break the window. Ow! Are you in creative?
No, survival.
How to get stuff?
I'm getting you! Get you freak!
Ah! No!
Dude, this time you need to run. You need to survive without taking hit. Or else the killer will kill you, dude. I'm the murderer. Just run already. Or hide. No! Dude, no! I said no punching at my face.